channel Travel Queen Chikan and her life. I'm Chikan and here I am doing traveling videos as well as the product review and product haul. And today I'll be reviewing of this Sugar Drop the Best Serum Foundation. And to know more about this product, stay tuned to my channel, and like previous, it will be my honest review. It is not a sponsored video, and keep supporting and keep loving me and my channel. Your support and love means a lot to me. Welcome to my life. About the outer packaging of this product, it comes in a frosted glass bottle, and because of this frosted glass, it looks so much elegant and it looks like high-end product, but it is budget friendly product. The price of this product is $8.99 for 20 ml of product, and it has a dropper, so the product is very much hygienic and it is travel friendly also, so you can carry this product while you are traveling to outside. And Sugar is an Indian company, so you can find this product in any Sugar store near you, or I will provide the link of this product in my description box below in case if you want to buy this product online. This foundation is available more than 10 shades in India, and I am in the shade of 32 Cortado. And if you are of my skin tone, then you can definitely buy this product, and it has a shelf life of 2 years and 5 months, so it is a good time to use this product. And I am using this product more than 4 months, and it requires a very little amount to cover your face. It is not a full coverage foundation, it gives a sheer to medium coverage to your face, and you can see that in my demo part of this foundation. So let's move on to the application of this foundation. As I have a very dry skin, so every time I need to hydrate my skin before applying the foundation, and it will protect my skin from the harmful effect of the foundation. It will work as an extra layer of my face, and the foundation will not harm directly into my face. This will absorb into my face within 10 minutes. Here I am using Lotus Moisturizer and Lotus Serum. Now I am taking 2 drops of this Sugar Drop the Best Serum Foundation. It is water-free, powder-free foundation as well as paraben-free, and it is basically a silicone-based foundation. See the texture of this foundation, it's not so runny. I am making dots in all over my face with my hand, and I am blending it with my beauty blender. It is more of a everyday foundation. It is not a full coverage foundation, it is a medium to sheer coverage foundation. This foundation has a very good yellowish tone. I think this foundation will go with every Indian skin tone, and this foundation will blend perfectly into my face within few seconds. I think this foundation is made for the normal skin people. If you have a dry skin, then you need to apply moisturizer very well before applying the foundation, as it will dry your skin. But you do not feel that you put a layer of foundation onto your face, as it is a very light foundation. It will give more of a no makeup look, and right now this is in trend. So if you want a foundation for a daily basis, then you can try this one. Now I am taking another 2 drops of this foundation to share with you it is buildable foundation or not. No doubt it is a buildable foundation, but it will make your face more dry. So you have to moisturize your face before applying this foundation very well. This foundation will cover dark circle, uneven pigmentation very well. Here I am using beauty blender to blend this foundation. You can also use your makeup brush to blend this foundation. But what I think that beauty blender blends the foundation very well than any other tool. I am applying this foundation on my neck as well. Today I do not use any other concealer. I am applying this foundation as a concealer today. Let's see how this foundation works as a concealer, as I have a dark circle under my eye. And this foundation works pretty well as a concealer also. This foundation will give a flawless finish into my face. As you all can see, my face is already glowing. I am applying Sugar Set the Tone Tinted Powder to set my foundation. I did a review of Sugar Set the Tone Tinted Powder, and I will provide the link of that video in my description box below. I like this tinted powder a lot, but what I don't like about this product that this product does not have any mirror. I did a wet test of this foundation and this tinted powder, and I will add that part in the last of my video. And I am back with my full face makeup on, and if you are wondering what shades I am wearing today, it is Sugar Smudge Me Not Blink of Pink shade number 2, and you can see it from my face that I love this foundation a lot. I use this foundation more than 12 hours and it do not oxidize, and most of the time I use this foundation, it gives a natural flawless finish to my face. I took a picture with flash and it did not flash back, as you all can see it here. And I only love those products which do not flash back, and it is one of them, and this is my one of the favorite foundation till now. If you do not want to spend more money in high-end product, and if you want a budget-friendly product which covers fine line, wrinkles, dark circle, everything, then I will suggest you to try this product once. And I applied this foundation at 6 o'clock and it is 8:20 now. It is more than 2 hours I applied this foundation, and this foundation do not oxidize till now. And this is a close-up look of my face, and I'll be back in a couple of hours to share with you my final result. It's 12 o'clock at night and I applied this foundation at 6 o'clock. I think it's more than 6 hours I applied this foundation, and it do not oxidize till now. I think this is the best foundation within budget. And in between I did shooting of my another video. If you found this video helpful, then do give it a big fat thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and press the bell notification so you will be notified every time when I upload a new video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care, have a great day.